In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up project risk tracking in Jira using custom issue types, custom fields, linked mitigation tasks, and a live dashboard. If you manage agile delivery, software releases, or digital projects, keeping track of risks is just as important as tracking tasks. A feature can be on schedule one day and suddenly slip because of architecture issues, resource limits, or outside dependencies. The good news is that Jira gives you a clean way to organize those risks so they stay visible throughout delivery. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira site or your secure Atlassian login page. After you sign in and your main dashboard loads, move to the top right area of the screen and click the settings gear. This is where you'll access the administrative controls needed to configure risk tracking properly. From the settings area, find and open issues. Then in the left sidebar, select issue types. In the upper right corner, click add issue type. Create a new issue type called risk. Choose an icon that helps it stand out from normal work items and save it. This gives risks their own dedicated structure, which makes them easier to separate from stories, bugs, and standard tasks. Next, go to Custom Fields in the left sidebar and click Create Custom Field. You'll create two drop-down fields. The first should be named Risk Probability with the options High, Medium, and Low. The second should be named Risk Impact with the options Critical, Major, and Minor. After creating both fields, make sure they are added to the screen used by your new risk issue type. This step is important because it lets your team assess risks consistently instead of relying on vague notes. If your organization needs something more visual, there's also an alternative approach. Open the Apps menu and select Find New Apps. In the Marketplace search bar, look for tools such as Risk Management or Risk Register. These kinds of apps can provide more advanced graphical risk matrix views, which may be helpful for larger or more compliance-heavy environments. Once your fields are ready, go to your project backlog or sprint board and create a new risk issue. Fill in the relevant details, then save it. After that, use the link issue option beneath the issue title to connect the risk to related work. You can use relationships like is blocked by or relates to, depending on how you want to track mitigation work. This helps tie the risk directly to the tasks or stories involved. Finally, go to your dashboard area and create a new tracking dashboard. Add a Jira query language widget using this filter. Project equals your project key and issue type equals risk ordered by risk impact descending. Review the results carefully to confirm that probability, impact, linked mitigation work, and ownership are all displaying clearly. Once that's done, your risk tracking setup is live and ready to support smarter project delivery. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.